Did you know that scientists just discovered a new species of jellyfish that glows in the dark? How cool is that? Imagine diving into the ocean and seeing these glowing creatures all around you. Welcome to the Gen Z Science YouTube channel. We're here to bring you the freshest and most exciting science videos out there. Whether you're a science nerd or just curious about the world, we've got something for everyone. Let's face it, science can sometimes feel like a tough subject, right? That's why we need engaging and accurate scientific content to help clear up the confusion. Our mission is to bridge that gap and make science fun and accessible for everyone. On this channel, we dive into a ton of cool topics. We're talking climate change, space exploration, and the latest technological advances. Check this out. In our latest video, we explore cutting-edge renewable energy technologies that could change the world. Each video is packed with visuals and information that will leave you wanting more. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We can't wait to explore the wonders of science with you.